Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Alright, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna make some spam fried rice. I cut up a few peppers, sweet peppers, some string beans, carrots, green onions, and this is the soy sauce. This is what I'm gonna need, guys. 2 eggs and some vegetable oil to get things going, and a wok pan. So first, I will have to add some vegetable oil, put it on a medium heat, add some vegetable oil, and let it start to fry. Make sure I get oil around the bottom of the pan and a little on the sides. Get ready for when I start to add the other vegetables. Okay, I have some spam I had to cut up. Forgot to tell you guys that. I'm going to add that to the grease and let that fry up. I'm going to actually stir a little bit. That spam has to get fried up completely. Yes, it does. Now I'm going to start adding the other sides, the carrots, the green onions, the bell pepper, green bell peppers, and the sweet red and yellow and orange pepper. Add it all to the spam. And once I get everything in there, I'm going to actually mix this. Stir it and let it stir for a while until everything is mixed in really good. I don't need any salt or anything there because the spam is already salty enough. Now I'm going to start to stir everything together. I am going to add some black pepper. I am actually going to stir this after I added my pepper and make sure everything is all seasoned up. Now I'm actually cooking this until everything is tender. I decided to add a little bit of garlic powder, not garlic salt, just a little bit of garlic powder. Don't want any salt. Like I told you before, I don't want it to be too salty. The spam already has its own salt. I'm actually cutting the larger meats in half that I didn't cut small enough. Now I'm going to add the green beans, the chopped green beans, because you know they're already done. It came from a can, so I didn't want them to overcook. So I'm going to add them once it's close to time to add my rice. Make sure you get nice and warm and mixed in with everything else. Now I'm going to start adding my rice. Turn it back to the medium heat because I turned it down a little bit. Now I'm going to add my rice. My rice was already cooked to the side. I made that earlier. Still a little bit warm, nice and warm. But add just enough rice. Then I'm going to mix it all together to make sure everything evens out. Going to add some more rice because I don't have enough in there. Like I told you before, I'm going to make sure it even out. And this spam is actually from the other day when I told you guys I was going to save it from the spam soup that I made the other day, the spam ramen soup. I saved it. Now I'm going to add the soy sauce. Make sure I get that all over the place. And make sure that it is enough to make it look nice and even. And of course, make it look good. Look at that. It looks scrumptious, don't it? Yep. I'm going to add a little bit more rice to it. I think this is about enough. Now mix that all up. I actually added 2 eggs to that rice, guys, and mixed it in. Mixed it all in. And look how scrumptious it looks, guys. It looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Guys, there you have it. I showed you how to make my rice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification button so you'll know when my next video upload. Until then, deuces. See you next time. Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.